Welcome, Mind Game Masters, to Mouse Quiz. Let's focus here. Choose your movie. Pink, unicorn, or gold. Choose one gift. Wow, and here's your gift. There are many more surprises. Please also join 60 attractive pink, unicorn, or gold gift options that Taco has prepared for you. Let's begin. Choose your car. Choose your gaming mouse. Choose your hamburger. If you chose your favorite hamburger, please give Taco a like. Pink, unicorn, or gold. Choose one. Choose your handbag. Now find the odd one out. Very good, you found it. Choose your movie, pink, unicorn, or gold.
I'm going to convince the Great Kong Army to help us. Together, we'll annihilate
by all magical creatures from Griffin.
Now we're only gonna be 14 minutes early for work. Oh, there's gotta be
Taco is very curious about the movie you chose. Please comment below to let Taco know. What color do you like best? Choose your lollipop. Choose one. Choose your popsicle. Which popsicle do you like? Please share your choice with Taco in the comments below. Choose quickly, pink, unicorn, or gold. Choose your gift, pink, unicorn, or gold. Choose your task. Comment your favorite color if you chose the pink gift box. Comment your favorite animal if you chose the unicorn gift box. Comment your favorite game if you chose the gold gift box. Choose quickly, pink, unicorn, or gold. This is the time to relax. Choose your music.
Watch me dance the night away. Just want attention. You don't want my heart. Maybe you should buy myself flowers. Write my name and
Make your choice based on your favorite color. Choose your necklace. Taco chose the unicorn gift box. What about you? Choose your skateboard. Pink, unicorn, or gold? Comment your birthday below so Taco can cut the cake and sing you happy birthday. Feeling lucky today? Choose wisely. Pick a gift box, pink, unicorn, or gold. Choose your donut. What color do you like best? This time, Taco will choose the pink gift box. Will you choose the same as Taco? Choose your swimming pool. Next gift, choose wisely. Please comment below to let Taco know your choice. What's your pick? Tell Taco what you got. Choose your hot air balloon. Taco hopes that you'll be lucky. It's decision time. What will it be? Let's choose! Like this video if you picked the right sunglasses. Find the odd one out. Here it is! Did you find it? Choose your lamp, pink, unicorn, or gold. Make your choice now. game continues. Pink, unicorn, or gold? Choose quickly. Pink, unicorn, or gold? Make your choice based on your favorite color. Choose your toothbrush. Oh no! Taco chose the unicorn gift box. What a pity! Choose your outfit. Choose your cocktail. Pink, unicorn, or gold? Choose your phone case. Taco was happy to have chosen the left phone case. Are you as lucky as Taco? Please comment below. What's your pick? Pink, unicorn, or gold? Go ahead and take your pick. Choose your sneaker. What's your take on this round? Choose your notebook. How about now? What's your favorite color? Choose your lobby. Can you decide on a gift now? Next gift, choose wisely. Wow, Taco really wants to have dinner at Unicorn Restaurant. How about you? Please comment your choice below. Choose your hair accessories. Choose your door. Choose wisely. What's your pick this time? pink, unicorn, or gold? Choose your suitcase. What's your final pick? Pink, unicorn, or gold? Oh wow! Which gift impressed you the most? Please comment below. Join the next challenge on the left or right side of the screen. See you again!